Welcome my awesome friend to New Way Academy. I hope you all are great. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to SCADA system and I will give you a short view of what do in this course. So let's start. First, we are going to know the difference between DCS and PLC. What is SCADA? And what is HMI? What is the SCADA architecture? What are the features of SCADA? And we are going to give you an overview on the projects we are going to do in this course. So let's start. First of all, the difference between PLC and DCS. PLC is programmable logic controller. Is only one controller, can control multiple applications at once. DCS is distributed control system, has a multiple controller. Each controller control individual system, and all controllers are connected together through a specific protocol. And DCS has its own monitor. PLC doesn't have monitor, so we are using SCADA. But what is SCADA? SCADA stands for Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition. To understand what is SCADA, we need to ask ourselves three questions. First one, what is SCADA? What are functions of SCADA? And what are the applications of SCADA? As we already said, SCADA stands for Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition. Mean it gives us supervisory control and ability for data acquisition. The functions of SCADA, such as data acquisition and presentation network data and control. The application of SCADA: manufacturing industries, power system, water waste treatment, and distribution plant. What is the HMI? HMI stands for Human Machine Interface. So we can say it's an interface between machine and the human. We can describe HMI or Human Machine Interface as a touch screen like this. This touch screen can control the entire system by only touch button. The architecture of SCADA, we can say if we had different systems, each system can control by PLC or RTU, remote terminal unit, and all those controllers can be connected together through WLAN or any protocol, and they are connected to SCADA master server, and all are connected together to different computers. As let's say this computer is used to control this application and this one for this application, and this one let's say for this one, and this for this. The feature of SCADA which we are going to discuss in this course: dynamic representation, trends, database conductivity, scripts, alarm, security, and also report. The dynamic representation There are many symbols such as pump, valve, motors, slider, and many symbols in SCADA can be represented. Trends can be represented as XY plotter or data logger. Database conductivity, because the SCADA doesn't have its own database, so we are using VB such as Visual Basic, SQL, or database of Excel, or even database of the Microsoft. Script can be discussed as a combination of logic operators which are written in statements, such as if statement, when statement, and for statement. Let's go to alarms. In the field, alarms are generated for warning or to keep process between a certain limit. Let's say we have a room. The temperature of this room must be between 10 degrees and 30 degrees. So, if the temperature gets below 10 degrees, we need to give an alarm for the control engineer to use a heater or turn off the cooler. Or if the temperature goes up above the 30 degree, we need to give alarm for the engineer to turn off the heater or turn on the cooler. The most important thing of SCADA is security. Security can be represented as all applications has to be secured from unauthorized user by different security level. Let's say we have 1,000 users on the company. Not all users have the same level of security. The boss has the all level of security, but the technical has only lower level of security, and so on. In this course, we are going to design two different ways of security. So, get ready. The last thing is report. We are going to give a report of the function of SCADA at the end. We have many projects in our course. Small project like this one or this one. And we have a large complete project which we are going to control this system by using PLC S7300, and we are going to control this PLC by using a program designed by SCADA, and we are going to give a different level of security. If we press log on and went, we will have a home screen. This home screen has different buttons: monitor screen, alarm screen, report screen. And if you want to log out, if we press monitoring screen, we go to monitoring process. If we went back and go to alarm screen, you can find out the alarms of all project. And go back. If we went to the report, you can find out the number of total process, number of operation of each component. You can save it as a report or open it or even print it. And And at the end, you can exit the project from right here. So get your coffee and let's start.